this really happened. I was preparing to travel, and my vehicle fell apart. Virtually walking Daytona Beach. This really happened. My ABS light came on. But I want to find out what's going on with this ABS light. My ABS light came on. My brake light came on. Let's see, and the brake light, I assume the brake light has something to do with the parking brake. So I ended up disassembling the driver's side rear brake hub. I took that off so I can adjust the parking brake. So I went through all of that, trying to get this truck up and running. I was driving and my rear right passenger window went down on its own on the expressway. So I ordered me a right rear passenger window kit, removed the old one, installed the new one, but first I had to disassemble the door panel to do that. And my wheel hubs, I disassembled, took the old ones off. I ran into some problems with some of the bolts that were stripping out. I also ran into some problems with the ABS sensor wheel, the sensors themselves. When I was trying to install them, the star screw or star nut is stripped out, so I had to hack that. And then I had a oil leak. It seemed like it was under the oil pan, but it wasn't coming from under the oil pan. It was coming from above somewhere, and I assume it was a rear main seal or a main seal leak. And I was wondering, how am I going to stop this? Diversity 2, I am going to try some waterproof silicone on this oil pan gasket. I have a small leak coming from the rear of this oil pan, and I just wanted to know, will this work? Leave your comments below. It was leaking just a little from the rear, but will this stop it? We're gonna find out from Home Depot. I tried before. I watched a YouTube video, and they told me to clean off the area, sand it down, and apply this gasket maker at the bottom. I did that, but it didn't seem to work too well. Then I later on I went to Home Depot and got some silicone that you use around your bathtub, your windows, your siding, and I applied that. And I drove for hours. I looked under my truck, and it was dry. Diversity 2. I don't see much leaking going on after putting that silicone on. And I drove from 8 o'clock last night to about 7 in the morning out of town, and that looks good. And I was getting frustrated. Because that's expensive. We're talking between $900, $1,100 just to get my bearings replaced. Firestone set, $800, $1,100 for this. But I managed to get it done by myself. And fixing it yourself works. I've saved so much money fixing it myself. And I was able to get it done, and I was finished with it. And every everything, ABS light, engine light, and the oil pan leak, it all worked out. But being that type of mechanic, breaking the engine down, the ABS light came on, the engine light came on, there was an oil leak, and I was able to finish it in a very short time. So everything worked out. It would have been so expensive to do.